Hello, I'm Alex, and I'm new to GibbsCAM's Avatar team. I'm going to dive into cost efficiency today. Why and when is it worth investing in a professional CAM system like GibbsCAM? Let me clarify one thing from the start. Is GibbsCAM cheap? No. However, is it a worthwhile investment? Absolutely. The process of selecting a new CAM system typically starts when the current solution no longer satisfies your needs. This can occur for two reasons. Either the requirements have grown over time, or all the necessary factors were not taken into consideration during the initial selection. Before investing, it is crucial to carefully evaluate various aspects that ultimately impact the return on your investment. Our white paper, 10 Things You Need to Know When Replacing Your CAM System, outlines the specific points that should be considered before making a decision. It also examines the risk of investing in a lower-cost solution that may not fully meet these requirements. The white paper is readily available for download via the displayed QR code or the link in the post description. It is very important to avoid the pitfall of choosing a cheap solution that ultimately leads to costly consequences. For this reason, we recommend selecting GibbsCAM,